If you get the chance to visit Hanoi, I'm sure it will be an experience you never forget. Along with being the capital of Vietnam, Hanoi is well known for its fantastic locations, cuisine, and residents. The best place to enjoy traditional Vietnamese arts, including opera, theater, and performances with water puppets that depict Vietnamese myths and folklore. The Old Quarter is a maze of streets that dates back to the 13th century and is the most historic part of Hanoi. The best local cuisine in Hanoi is available at tiny one-dish eateries that are typically just open-air joints along the street. We perceive Hanoi as a city that is both contemporary and historic. Everyone who remembers Hanoi experiences an unforgettable emotion. I adore and am proud of my hometown, Hanoi.